Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to execute alert dialog in your mobile application. Here I will take the help of constraint layout. This is button UI widget. I will drag and drop this button UI widget into the constraint layout. To fix its position in mobile application, I will click on align, click on horizontally. Again I will click on align, click on vertically. So in this manner I have fixed its position in horizontal as well as vertical manner. Therefore, throughout all the Android devices and all the Android tab, its position will remain constant. Now I will increase its height and width using graphical interface. Now I will click on its attribute. Initially I will change its ID. I will set its ID as btn submit. Now I will select its text attribute. So this is text attribute and I will set logout as a text on this button UI widget. To increase the text size, I will select text size attribute and increase the text size into 36 sp. So now this is my logout button. To change the background color of logout button, I will again select background attribute. Here you will find variety of color. I have picked up this color, and to change the text color, here you can find text color attribute. You can click on text color attribute. I have selected this RGB format. So this is my logout button. When I will click on this logout button, I am expecting a pop-up window will generate. It will ask me, do you want to log out? If I click on yes, then my application will stop, and if I click on no, then my application will continue to execute in mobile. So to implement in such manner, I will switch on main-activity.java. Here first I will create the reference of button class. I will call button class and I will declare btn submit as a reference of this button class. Then I will call alert dialog dot builder class and I will declare builder as a reference of this alert dialog dot builder class. Now in onCreate method, I will assign this btn submit ID of button UI widget to the btn submit reference of this button class. So here I will call btn submit reference of button class. Now I will apply typecasting methodology. In parenthesis I will call button class. Then with the help of find view by ID method, I will assign ID of button UI widget to this btn submit reference. So where I can find ID of button UI widget, it is present in r dot id dot, here I will get btn submit ID of button UI widget. Now I will create object for this alert dialog dot builder class. Here I will call builder reference of the alert dialog dot builder class equal to new. I will call alert dialog dot builder class, and to the constructor of this class I will pass this keyword as an argument. Now I want to generate a pop-up dialog when user will click on logout button. So here I will take the help of btn submit reference of button class. I will call it here, and I will call set on click listener method of the button class. Then using new keyword, I will call view.onClick listener interface. Now in onClick abstract method of this view.onClick listener interface, I will set some properties. Initially, I will call builder reference, and with the help of this reference, I will call set message method. Here in set message method, I will write one message, that is, do you want to log out? Here I have set message, do you want to log out? Then using dot operator, I will call set cancelable method. In set cancelable method, you can pass boolean argument either as a true or false. Here I will pass false as a boolean argument to this set cancelable method. Again, using dot operator, I will call set positive button method. In this set positive button method, I will pass two argument. First argument is I will set yes as a text. So when user click on logout button, it will ask, do you want to log out? And when user click on yes positive button, running application supposed to close. So here using comma separator operator, I will pass second argument, that is new dialog interface dot on click listener. Here in abstract on click method of this dialog on click listener interface, I will call finish method to close my running application. Later, using dot operator, I will call set negative button method. In this set negative button method, I will pass two argument. First argument, here I will set one text, that is no. It means when user click on no negative button, mobile application will continue to run. Again, using comma separator operator, I will call new dialog interface dot on click listener interface. So this is dialog interface dot on click listener interface of set positive button method, and this is another interface I have passed as an argument to the set negative button method. And in abstract on click method of this interface, since when user click on no negative button, it means my mobile application will remain to continue, so that here I will call dialog property, and with the help of dialog property I will call cancel method. Therefore, when user select no negative button, dialog box will close and my mobile application will continue to run in mobile. And at the end here I will assign semicolon. Now I will create one alert reference of this alert dialog class, and to this reference I will assign create method of the alert dialog.builder class. So here I have assigned create method to this alert reference. Now using alert reference I will call set title method. In set title method I will pass one argument to set title for this dialog. I will pass logout as an argument, and to show this logout title in alert window, again using alert reference I will call show method. So to see the output I will click on run button. Here I am using Pixel 3 XL Android emulator to see the output. So this is Android emulator and my alert dialog application has successfully launched in this emulator. Now I will click on logout button. Here you can see that one pop-up window has generated. The pop-up window is logout window, and here one message has been asked to the user, do you want to log out? Initially I will click on this no button. So since I have clicked on no button, this application has continue to run in mobile. Again I will click on logout button. In this time I will click on yes button. Since I have clicked on yes button, my application has closed. So this is alert dialog box in Android. Thank you so much friends for watching this video. If you really like this video, then like this video, share this video, comment on this video, and if you haven't yet subscribed my YouTube channel, then it is my humble request you to kindly subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you so much friends.